now these are 91 inches off the ground, and I mean 91 inches to the top screw hole right there. So 91 inches to the ground, which actually makes them lean back a little bit. The QuickJack will lean back and then hook up onto those hooks. They've been very, very secure. One other thing I want to point out, and I keep getting comments from subscribers, hey, when are you going to finish and paint your garage? Well, if I keep punching holes in my garage, that project keeps getting pushed back, as you can tell, right? But the other thing is you can also tell from my sheetrock right where the stud is, right? So I've put these big, long, the screws that are provided are huge, and I've driven them back into the stud, so they're super secure, okay? So then they're gonna sit here, you'll see them in all of my projects moving forward. As you look back over my shoulder, you'll see my new QuickJacks hanging up here on the wall. But all in all, pretty much all done. Now keep in mind, these are quick releases, so when you'll get really used to taking this system apart, it's a little hard to do with one hand, and it may fight me a little bit, but what you're looking for, you can see the little ball and the little notch right there. You want to line those two up and pull, there we go, not bad one-handed, pull towards the little bump, and you will disconnect. Now, I always put the caps back on. We got a little bit of seepage here through the fitting, that's okay, get it off your hands. I always put the caps back on to make sure to maintain these fittings. I've had over time one of these fittings fail. It wasn't a big deal because it was easy to replace, okay? But that was over about 3 years of really constant use, high level use.